Conceptual Design 101. Hello, cybersecurity enthusiasts. Emma here. I am passionate about cybersecurity. Today, we're embarking on an in-depth journey into the conceptual design of a network. Imagine this as the blueprint for your dream house. But instead of rooms and kitchens, we're dealing with data flows, server services, and the strategic vision behind the network architecture. Let's dive in together to understand this foundational concept that underpins all network security. Core components. What exactly is the purpose of our network? The conceptual design provides us with a high-level overview, helping us to answer the fundamental question, why was our network constructed? It's about aligning our network with the organization's overarching goals and objectives. By viewing our network through this strategic lens, we begin to grasp the essence of Know Thy Network. Here, we're not just discussing cables, wires, and servers, we're examining how these elements drive organizational success. This design phase isn't concerned with the nitty-gritty of connectivity or the specifics of how data packets jump from one point to another. Instead, it focuses on identifying the critical components, both internal and external systems, how data circulates through these systems, and the general behavior of the network as a whole. We look at operating systems that run our services, the functionalities provided by servers, essential processes that keep our business running, and the individuals who leverage these technologies to achieve organizational objectives. Understanding the what over the how helps us see what we need to meet our goals, not just how it's technically implemented. Interdependency and interaction. Understanding the purpose of our network unveils the intricate web of interdependencies among its various parts. It's like a sophisticated puzzle where each piece is crucial for the complete picture. Each component, from hardware to software, from data to users, is interlinked in a way that ensures the network functions as intended. We need to comprehend how users interact with these systems because without that interaction, the context of cybersecurity is lost. This understanding is pivotal in designing networks that are not only functional but also secure. When we know how one system's failure or success impacts another, we can build resilience into our network design. Criticality. Once we have a firm grasp on the organization's purpose, we can begin to pinpoint what is truly significant, the critical assets, the indispensable processes, and the key individuals. This knowledge marks the beginning of truly understanding Know Thy Network by identifying what aspects need the most robust protection from a security viewpoint. Recognizing this criticality shapes our security strategy, ensuring that protection measures are appropriately focused. We start to categorize our assets by their importance, setting priorities for security measures, data protection, and disaster recovery plans. This step is vital because it dictates where we place our security resources and attention. Extra considerations. Some organizations take a broader approach during this conceptual design phase, incorporating considerations like legal compliance, security policies, and safety protocols. While we won't delve deeply into these aspects today, they form an integral part of comprehensive network design, ensuring that our networks are not only efficient, but also compliant with laws, secure against threats, and safe for all users. Regulatory frameworks, industry standards, and even ethical considerations play a role here, influencing how we design our networks from the ground up. Specialized areas. During this exploration, we might discover the necessity to engage with specialized experts, telecommunications professionals for robust connectivity, data storage specialists for efficient data management, or external consultants who can contribute unique functionalities to our network. This collaboration ensures that all aspects of the network design are covered, from data transmission to storage solutions, from security protocols to user access management. This phase often reveals dependencies on other parts of the organization or external partners, highlighting the need for cross-functional communication and planning. Closed-box diagramming. You might encounter the term closed-box diagramming in industry literature. This methodology involves describing a system by its purpose and functionality without delving into its internal workings. It's an effective metaphor for our focus here. We're concerned with what the system does, not the intricacies of how it operates. This approach helps us maintain a clear strategic view of our network's architecture, allowing us to plan and strategize at a high level before diving into the specifics of implementation. It's about seeing the forest for the trees, understanding the system's role within the organization without getting lost in the technical details. I hope this deep dive into conceptual design has been enlightening. If you're eager to learn more, please continue with this series where we'll further dissect cybersecurity in ways that are both engaging and informative. Subscribe, like, and let's keep this conversation going. In our next video, we'll explore the next layer of network architecture, moving from conceptual to logical design. Keep your network secure, and I'll see you then.